Okay guys, yes, this is another one. This is my generator alternator, yes, for BMW. So not really, it's not that it's not working, it's working, but it's making some sound. Yes, you can barely hear it, but me, I can hear it. And it's been long I kept it, so I have to rebuild it. Yes, so I'm going to restore it back. Yes, already have lost the top, the cutout. You can see it there. So this is the cutout. I've lose it. Yes, I have a couple of bolts here, and you can see how it's doing. Yes, everything is intact, but I'm going to roll it for you to hear the sound I'm talking about. Hope you can hear that. You can hear that. So it's not good for me, so I'm going to change the bearing, the two bearing, and I'm going to fully restore it. So let me get into it. So I'm going to close it up, see how it goes. Yes, you can see it. It's pretty dirty. I'm going to set this aside. You can see the bodies. You hear that? That's the front. You can see the front one too. That's pretty bad. So I'm going to lose up this and see how I can get this clean. So on this one now, I'm going to remove the diode. Yes, I've already loosed up this, so I'm going to remove it with scissors. Let's see. Yes, I have to be very careful because I don't want to damage anything. Yes, let's see. Yeah, and make sure it's free from that. Okay, you're not gonna touch it. Yes. 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 Yes, you can see it. Wow. So, so I'm also going to remove the coil. See. So with the housing that we're going to be cleaning them up, you can see. So, and on this, I don't have device to hold this in place, so I'm going to figure it out how I'm going to lose this. I know it's 24, but I only have sockets, I don't have ring. Let me get it loose anyhow. I'll get you guys back on. Hey guys, yes, this is everything. This is amateur. Yes, it's not easy to get it out from the housing. Yes, because it's a bush, so bush product is very hard to remove it. So but I managed to remove it. Yes, that will be in another video how to remove it. Yes, this is the case, back case. This is the diode, and this is the hammer shot cover. This is the rotor. Yes, see from where I'm pressing it, I get it injured. You can see it there. So I'm going to fix it. And this is the second cover, and this is the coil, this is the cutout. So everything I'm going to restore it all, and this is all the screws here. So let me get that done, then I'll get you guys back on.